I need this car.
Okay, take care of my car.
I bought this Chevy truck from a grandma who truly loved her country and its history. She told me this truck meant pride and hard work, and now it's my turn to bring it back. Every damaged part is off and the body is finally ready. Now I'm laying down fresh paint and bringing this classic back to its true color. "80 years of neglect turned into a full revival. From rust to shine. If you love classic restorations like this, make sure you follow the journey.